how to link Twitch to EA account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can link your Twitch to EA account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to link Twitch to your EA account, all you have to do is actually first of all go ahead and then open up your browser, and then you simply want to come to this website, which I'll make sure to drop a link below, which is ea.com/Twitch linking. I repeat, ea.com/Twitch linking. Once you come to this website, just hit the go button over here. I'll drop a link below if that's easy for you. Now over here you need to make sure that both your Twitch account and your EA account are logged in properly, and when you are logged into both of your accounts, you'll find this option that says confirm your EA account that you want to link to Twitch. So make sure this is the EA account that you want to link, and then tap the continue option, and your EA will get successfully linked to Twitch or vice versa. This way you can link Twitch to EA account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.